Welcome to Trading Mastery Institute. Whatever that is being shared is of our opinion and not an advice for you to enter the market. Okay guys, so today I'm going to share with you guys the Japanese trading competition. Participants are Japanese university students who study finance. Okay, so I want you all to observe. Okay, mostly they are using the Bollinger Band, and uh, how they trade, and do they swing, do they intraday, for you to observe. Okay, so it took me a couple of years to actually research on what actually the Japanese trader using, for many years. And I finally managed to, and I actually booked a ticket, go to Japan, and found a Japanese trader mentor who can converse in English, and he taught me the technique. So I'm going to teach you guys in depth on the Japanese trading technique as you can see over here, at just $100 only. For those who are interested, can PM me. Okay, and if not, you can just enjoy the video and treat it as a learning experience. Okay, bye bye.
Now, the first Traders' Cup is about to begin. Let me explain. I'll explain the rules of the Traders' Cup, also known as the Cup. The starting margin is 100,000 yen per stand. It's a trading battle where players compete one-on-one to see who can increase the most within the 90-minute match time. Once you've entered, you must hold on for at least 1 minute, and settlement is possible when the hourglass falls. If you hold on until the end of the time limit of 1 minute, you must close your position before the end, and that will be your final score. The competition is conducted in a tournament format, and the winner carries over their margin to the next match. The more you earn, the more you can lead in the next match. Now, let's introduce the 4 people who will be competing in the first match. First up is Booth A of Block 1, Miss FX Iwazumo, a second-year student at the University of Tokyo. Her intelligence is amazing, and she has cultivated knowledge from her time in the country. How will she compare to the market? Matsumoka can only see victory. She's also bought a sandometer, so her strategy is perfect. Her opponent is Masato, a 4th-year student at Rikyo University who loves Kirin and horse racing, and Nijiru Factory's Iki. Will this be a crucial match? I'm Takashi Masato. No, I feel like I'm being taken aback a bit, so I definitely want to win. I'm going for the 100,000 yen winning ticket. Booth B of Block 1. The first to appear is a second-year student at Kyoto University, the successor to Umofu. Will he be able to show his true ability to the 2 commentators from the Ta channel? Nanamura Takanari.
Well, like at a graduation ceremony, thus.
Ta channel always trains me pretty hard, so I really want to get some results here and show them my true ability, so that I can raise my position and status in future Ta channel activities. And finally, the second-year student at Hosei University, Imagi FX Ojo-sama, a talent caster. The next challenger is FX trader Fukuda Mika. It's already a
hot day. There's a time limit of 90 minutes, so I don't know what will happen, so I'll try to stay focused until the end and win. The
first match is between Matsudomi from the University of Tokyo and Takahashi from VSU Rikyo. And now the curtain rises on the 2-match battle between Onomura and Fukuda from Hosei. And now, the Traders' Cup 2026 Round 1, Block 1 begins.
Oh, it started.
This is it. How much difference do you need to make to feel secure? Well, it's not a sure win, but for a while. Question mark. I guess it's
not. In terms of money, it's around 1,000 yen, around 1,000 yen, around 1,000 yen. When the difference is large, it's hard to get through in 90 minutes.
I see. So, for now, it's a battle where you aim for that and gradually build up the balance. That's right.
Then, right at the start, yes, Yotori. Oh, I don't want to meet Matsu. I don't want to get in. Oh, Matsu is already in. That's fast. And Matsutomi suddenly has a concealed position. Now, Matsutomi's sand meter has passed 1 minute. And currently, it's 0.7 points. Oh, okay. It's a
sure win.
And Fukuda Lymph also, has entered as a sell. The vertical position is 158 yen 239, and it's currently 0.1 points, almost a vertical value. Tokyo University student Matsufuji gets 1 point right at the start. Furthermore, regarding Fukuda Rumika, there was a 1-point advantage just now, but, contrary to the chart, it has now returned to a vertical value.
Yes, R.
Nomura and Taka surfing online? No, come to think of it, they are still surfing. They are not just sitting on the computer. It's still a 90-minute battle. Matsufuji Fukuda and the woman are one step ahead. Now, regarding Fukuda Rumika, more than a minute has already passed, but as for the advantage, it is currently in the form of a 0.2 point advantage. It's almost vertical. Oh, it's just extending downwards. 1.2 points.
Oh,
Here, but I don't know if it will extend. Well, as long as it lasts more than a minute, it's fine to hold on for as long as it lasts. So yes, yes, yes. Now, Nomura was leaning forward and looking at the chart. It's great, but as for the advantage, it's correct.
yes, yes, yes.
Yeah.
What do you think of this? It feels like it started. Is the market still not fluctuating too much today? That's about it. That's
Right. Basically, the 13 o'clock hour is a time when price movements tend to be small, so it's about how much you can make during that time.
I'm quite surprised that 2 trades have already started. Ha.
Women are more aggressive. After decorative trades, men are really in the Reiwa era now. Yeah, Reiwa trades. Oh, there's Fukuda here. Fukuda is great. That's
1.1 points. Well, that's a nice trade. The first 10 minutes have passed. The
$yen is currently at 158 yen per 21. I guess you have to wait this long to enter. Well, it might be similar to fishing. I also started FX a little bit after the last recording, but I was entering once a minute, so I've been suffering from a strange disease called posy disease, which is a disease that has been diagnosed as posy disease. It's not like insurance. Matsufuji has moved the cursor to the bid again. Oh, there it is. He entered. This is 1.5 vertical balls, so it's the maximum lot. He's come to challenge the other side. Matsui.
Matsutomi Kanchan's match. However, a slight reversal is
acceptable.
If I had started, I would have 180 yen in savings, so I can withstand that amount.
Yes, it's
easy to withstand, right?
Yes, and Fukuda Rumika entered short here. Aggressive. 1.0 vertical balls. And the vertical value is 158 yen. It's the 24th match. But the $yen is rising upward. Oh, he's saying something. Nomura. Well, this wouldn't happen if I were trading at home. He's doing it from the side. Are you?
trolling me, Nomura-san.
Now, here Matsufuji is down.
2 points.
And just came back vertical. As for Mika, she came in about 1 point. Here she comes. Now, here she bounced back big. A shadow battle that overlaps the previous key line. Around 25 is now a high stance at the 1 minute level. Now Fukuda Rimika is sure. Wow, great, nice trade. About 1.2 points. I got about 1.2 points. I have to.
Bet for sure.
You're rambling on. Can you stop? Are there such strategies in FX? Like that, saying, no, I've never heard of it. It's
Komura though.
Mura uses an unconventional strategy to disrupt Fukuda's pace until his own entry point arrives. And here Fukuda Mika enters short again. Isn't it posy disease? Maybe he's feeling the posy disease. It's the
Same.
but Fukuda Rimika is at Fuku Station again. The man was well, hydrated, and here Matsutomi broke away again. It's his 3rd consecutive win. Oh,
With this, Tachi Takamachi's
opponent, Todai Matsufuji, has been steadily accumulating profits in just 20 minutes. This is going really well, isn't it? It's going well. Oh, here Nomura has
finally entered along.
Well, it's not Memofu. But, well, the idea is to support downwards, or rather, the bottom is solid, and it shows some solidity in that area. He tried to go down somehow, but it was returned like this and now it's a beard. He predicted that it would go up with this momentum, so he went long. Oh, but hey, oh, no, it's a beard again. It's a lower beard. But it's not bad as an entry. Yeah, that's right. But the fact that it went down the moment he bought it made me feel a bit of a rebellious spirit. Yeah, I wonder if he's also considering a loss. Yeah, oh, Taka entered here. Long, oh, the men are betting long here.
Both are long.
As for Matsutomi and Fukuda, they have been short so far. They have been accumulating profits, so they are the complete opposite. Here, Fukuda goes short. It's a
direct confrontation. I see. They are really going all out. It's a name. Something like that.
Now, this is the key point. This is the
Key point. Oh no. Who will go up?
or down. And Matsu goes short. This is clearly the case.
For men and women. They are
Divided. Now, the yen is 158 yen. 23 games. This is the first time since the tournament started that everyone has a position. Oh, Fukuda Mika's vertical position is short at 158 yen for 23 games. As for Nomura Takanari, he is long at 158 yen for 23 games. Matsumomo is short at 158 yen for 22 games. And Takahashi is long at 158 yen for 23 games. So everyone has almost 23 games. With men going long and women going short, it's a complete Sekigahara battle. Yes, the men are holding a huge amount of unrealized losses, aren't they? Nomura Takanashi has reduced his initial margin of 100,000 yen. And here, I'd like you to pay attention to Takanashi's account maintenance ratio. It now has a caution mark because he placed a full lot. This means that his account ratio is below 100%. And if losses continue any further, a forced loss cut will be implemented, which means that a loss cut will be automatically executed. In other words, it's a big pinch. A big pinch will come in the middle. Oh, so that's why he bet on it, right? That's right. If he cuts this, the gap between him and Matsu will be close to 1,000 yen, so all he can do is pray that Takahashi will come back. All he can do is
Pray.
Furthermore, the larger the gap, the larger the difference in lots he can place. That's
Right. It just keeps getting bigger. Now.
oops, here Nomura
Cuts his losses.
cuts his losses. Oops, short on the earth point. Seriously, it's not an upper mofu, but the judgment is that it will move below 20. Well, expecting that, well, following the trend, right? He threw away the Wimofu, the contrarian Umofu. He threw away the contrarian Memofu. This too has no choice but to follow the trend. Here, Waki's younger brother Nomura enters with the exact opposite trend, thinking it's too close. Now, Takana is in big trouble. Full leverage is down 3 pips. Now, will it break 20 or not? Nomura wants it to break. Oops, but 20 has risen a lot. It looks like it was bounced off slightly by 20. Nomura's face is open mouthed.
Now, it has bounced back to 21. This is seriously a
Tough battle.
As for Fukudarmika, he's moving the cursor in the direction of, and it's like a fight, really.
Yeah, it's like a fist fight. And then, I cut my losses.
Oh, and I cut my losses.
Cutting my losses is quick. Retreating is quick. This.
Movement really looks like it could be a turning point. Right now, it's probably a storm.
Takahashi is choosing to be patient here. He's patient, but he's been holding on and it's going up.
Oops, it's gone up. I
Cut my losses. Oh, elementary school. I
cut my losses. Well, it's minus 284 yen, so it's a famous sign that the game could still be decided. And here, I'm going short. I went short. I also quickly switched the position I was holding. I switched from a so-called earth point to a short position. Will this decision turn out to be a base or a kyo? Now, here, it's becoming a high potential position.
Oh,
Now, high profits.
Yeah, it's going.
Up, it's about to break 1.3 points and 20 points, and the yen is currently 158 yen. It should break 20 points. Around here, female adults might also want to go short. It's broken 2 points. Oh, but no, just do it.
No. What to do in a difficult situation?
Oh, it just broke again.
oh,
Now, Suko has recovered 100,000 yen again. It's going up. Takana's margin has returned to 100,000 yen, and the difference with Matsufuji is about 600 yen. Then here,
Oh, here it comes down. It's coming.
it's coming. 17.
what the heck? It's just a matter of how Takana plays, and it's currently 525, which is quite close to Matsufuji. It's coming. This is a hot development. Amazing. Wow. And Fukuda bought here. Oh, the long position that.
Broke out is.
Strong.
Now, Takana is 570 yen. This is quite strong. It did a good job of getting a bottom there, from a position where it's long.
This is amazing, isn't it? That hunter made an incredibly fine play. He.
1. Wow. What? It's really.
High.
Now it's coming down. 16,116. Isn't this a pretty close match? One of them is coming down.
He's coming down. He's coming.
Down. It's still a.
Long way to go.
Well, to be honest, this is a good place to step on the top. Here, Nomura pulled out. And he went in. Oh, no, but it's great that he waited this long. He might fall, and doesn't. Takahashi want to turn things around? He turned things around. He's eating more and more. It's amazing, and he's still holding on. It's great. He's still holding on. This is a real gambler. Amazing. This is bad. Hey, he definitely should make sure of it. I think it's about time. Taka-san is probably leaking juice. Hold on to the juice. Put the juice away. He's feeling good. Now, Taka is currently at 975 yen with Fuku. He's now at 691 yen after beating Matsutomi, who took 620 yen. Now Fuku has surpassed 1,000 yen.
Oh wow. He's still holding on. Don't panic. Don't panic. Stop it. Kana-san is with him. And there's no sign of Rigu here. Just watching the situation.
No, that's right. Is.
This a long distance hitter, but Matsu is fearless. If he doesn't even secure it here, Matsutaka's block will be outrageous.
No, it's becoming a good match.
At first, I thought Matsufuji would win easily. Yeah, no, this is a bit too much juice. No, it's really coming out. We're
Entering the second half. That's
Right.
WA-san, what is Matsu-san doing here? Oh, I don't know. I said you could bring in your own ingredients, but don't panic. It's a routine. Amazing. Well, even if everything is in place, you think, oh, that's great. Is that the kind of tournament where you just
Go for it?
Oh, amazing. Well, that's amazing, but this isn't that kind of tournament.
Yeah.
Oops, he fell here. 12. Wow. Nomura cuts losses. Taka oops, and here Matsu is holding his head. There's no choice but to make a move here. Matsu is also riding the wave of the market, and Taka is steadily increasing his profits. Will Matsutomi continue to lose without a hitch? Now, the dollar-yen is 158 yen. It's fallen to 11 matches. Takahashi's potential has exceeded 1,500 yen. It's exceeded 10 points.
Amazing. I never thought he would.
Makes such a beautiful trade. Matsufuji and Momo from the University of Tokyo were top students. On the other hand, Taka apparently failed the entrance exam for the graduate school at Rikyo University, although there aren't many of them. No, there's one here. There's one here too. And here Matsuji comes in. He makes a move. It's a
move. Matsu-san is
1.5, almost a full lever long.
no, there's no other way. No, Matsu is in a tough spot here. this is really tough. It's a little early to go long now, considering the timing. That's right, a little impatient, yes. It would be easier if I could just settle on a little more Rubik.
It's
Drop to 10. As for Nomura, there are about 20 seconds left. No, the Monin clock is really showing its charm. Stop that. Hit it. No, that's amazing. You're holding on to a lot of money, even though it's normally high. No, this is an amazing trade. High. It might be aiming for around 158 yen. Or maybe it was around 157.90 this morning. Yeah, well, it's certainly heading a little downward. But going long here is a trade that makes sense to some extent. That's
right.
now, it's below 10. 158 yen. Are you okay?
Nomura too. Oh,
Nomura has also increased his profits.
oh, here it.
Here it comes, here it comes.
What's the current situation for Fukuda?
Fukuda is, well, Nomura was wiped out early on, so to be honest, he still has some leeway. Yeah, now, when things get to this point, the one who will have the hardest time reversing the situation is Tokyo University's Matsu. As for Takanashi, it's not certain, so if things continue to reverse, it's entirely possible that Matsufuji will overtake him again. There are 33 minutes left in the match. Now, Nomura is selling again, which is a hidden advantage. As for Nomura, there have been times when he could have pulled away, but he hasn't been able to capitalize on them. Now, how will Matsu and Takana play? There's only a third of the match left. The
Women seemed strong in the first half, but things took a turn like this in the second half. Having
said that, the difference is still only about 300 yen. Matsutomi and Takana are not in a position to panic at this point. It's a difference that Matsu can easily recover in one trade. Now, the slave is moving up. 158 yen 14. Oh, here. Takana's Suko has increased to 107,800 yen, so the difference with Matsu is now about 100 yen. But Takana hasn't made a move yet. It hasn't
Been released yet. Yeah.
What is he trying to do? Hey, it's gone. Down a lot. It's just like Nomura's specialty, this squeezing.
Yeah, he's been.
Holding on to profits when he could have released. Well, basically, he's overlooked situations where he could have re-released.
Oh, he's been.
Cutting his losses while he's in a loss. It's gone below 0910. Takana is amazing. Takahashi is amazing. That's amazing. Takana's Takahashi's fortune is about to exceed 2,000 yen. It's exceeded 2,000 yen. Seriously? So, Fukuda is cutting his losses. Fukuda is cutting his losses. And here comes Nomura's chance. I don't want to release the trowel. I released it. It's coming. It's coming. Nomura, what should I do? Now what should I do?
Oh.
Releasing it here and bringing the game back to square one.
One.
Option without a rise is amazing, including the station is 2,000.
No, it's really interesting. Takanaga. Takanaga is definitely a sure thing.
Takanahashi is amazing.
What is Takanaga? It's a trade that only a gambler can do, even if it's just a regular. Man, there have been many times when the rig has been painful. And as for Takanahashi, if he can carry this over to the next round, he can advance to the second round at a very advantageous rate.
It's true that he can hold on to about 1,500 to 1,700 yen, which is quite an advantage. It's a
considerable advantage, and it could even be a fortune until the finals.
No, go.
Now, he's also white. Go down. Soji Shidarigawa, 99,760 yen, and Nomura is 99,720 yen. No, this is a bit tough. As for Matsufuji, the situation is such that the more time passes, the more limited he can do. As for Demika, he has reduced his initial money, so maybe he'll have a hard time from the second round onwards, but he could also take a strategy like not entering. That's Nomura's strategy. That's right. I guess we should just wait for Nomura to fall. Yeah. We should just wait until he can't get back on his feet.
Yeah. Is that okay? Please.
Oh, here's a 1.5 long.
This is the only way.
Well, it's a showdown. Here, with 20 minutes left, we have no choice but to go for it. Now, here's where Fukuda Mika goes short.
Oh.
Here, even the women are divided on the market. No, but I've made up my mind. I'm like Rumi. She's on an instant subscription service.
Yes, that's
unpleasant. If
I lose, I'll subscribe to Rumi's subscription service. No, she just wants to subscribe. I'll subscribe. It's
scary.
Nomura is aiming for the same thing with an unconventional strategy rather than trading. Will it really work? 10 hits.
Back again. Let's see. The difference between Matsu and Taka is currently 700 yen. If we can get it back to 5 pips number 1, then it's fine. So, here, Fukuda Rumika should cut her losses. Suko-san is at 99,630 yen and Nomura is at 99,580 yen, so the
difference is
actually only 0.5000, so isn't this a weak match? To be honest, Nomura also has a fair chance of winning.
Yes, that's right, yes.
What is Fukuda-san's intention? Fukuda doesn't know either. After all, he's definitely being caught up in Nomura's pace, or rather, his
mentality is like
that, so if he hadn't done anything at first, he would have been steadily accumulating profits. As for Fukuda, the gap between Matsu and Takahashi Na has narrowed considerably as the dollar-yen has risen here. Makin is good. Makin is good too.
Sada Na has
moved her cursor to buy. The angles are close. Oops.
Wow, that's harassment, but securing here is, yeah.
After all, it's a risk hedge when it rises. No, this is a high no. It's a personality that can do things that the other party doesn't like.
It's a
Psychological battle like poker against a good boy, staring at the opponent. That's right. And even though it's not certain yet, it can be certain at any time.
Right? It hasn't been done yet. It hasn't been understood yet. Oh no, there are only
15 minutes left. Is it okay for Matsu to go short?
question mark. Oh no, wait, he did something bad.
But if he went in with full leverage, he'll go in. Can Nomura win? Question mark. That's right. As for the Nomura-Fukuda block, Nomura's strategy was correct, as he brought it to a muddy match. No, he might lose. Well, Nomura is short at 1 and Fukuda is short at 1, so if this goes down, there's a good chance he'll turn it around. He's betting on it. I guess it's time to cut losses for Fukuda Mika here. His current total assets are 99,490 yen. Now, the possibility of Nomura turning the game around has emerged. There it is. Here it comes. Oh, he turned it around. Nomura turned it around here. Okay, let's just go for it. Nomura played around with his eloquence rather than a sure trade here. Matsu and Takana fighting next to him. Oh, Takanaga rigged here.
He
Rigged. Suko is amazing. He held on for 871 yen with 8 points for quite some time. There are 9 minutes left. Less than 10 minutes left. If you enter as a tournament, you have to hold it for 1 minute, so if you lose 1 minute of the match time, you can't enter. In other words, with less than 10 minutes left, the number of times you can enter is limited. Matsuda has to aim for a comeback in these few times. Even with this, Fukuda still has a margin that he can barely make a comeback. If he hits it, Nomura will be down 4 yen with his risk reduced to the bare minimum. Matsufuji will have to take some kind of action. But it's still within reach.
Yeah. Now,
Matsu entered from the opposite direction. Is
this the only option? Oh, but maybe there's a chance. This is the last entry, hoping for Matsui 1, but
now, it's gone up. Now, the gap has widened considerably. Soji, 101,111 yen.
Matsu, do your best. There's nothing you can do now.
even though
Nomura is cheering you on. There's finally
1 minute left. It's
Prohibited to take a new position here. Now, with 55 seconds left, please note that the position will be settled at the end. The current positions are held by Matsu from the University of Tokyo and Takana from Rikyo University. 10
seconds ago. 9, 8, 7, Takana is definitely here.
54,321 is over. The first round of Group A matches is over. In the
first round, Matsu from the University of Tokyo versus Takamasa from Rikyo University. Matsuji Momo's total assets at the end were 100,830 yen. Oh,
And Takamasa from Rikyo University had a
total assets of 101,171 yen at the end, so Takamasa advances. Amazing. On the other hand, in the match between Fukuda from Hosei University and Nomura Takana from Kyoto University, Fukuda Rumika's total assets at the end of the first round were 99,080 yen. And with total assets of 99,568 yen at the end of the Tokyo University Nomura, the Nomura configuration cabinet is advancing.
How is the comeback victory? How are you feeling right now? Well, it's the most frustrating thing I've felt recently. I think I was able to make some really good trades, so I think I was able to show my true ability, but the opponent was bad.
So, Rikyo University High School won beautifully. That's right. Well, it was pretty dangerous, but it broke through the trend line and started to look down, so I went short on the ground point and somehow managed to get about 10 points, so it was as expected. Weren't you nervous at the beginning? No, well, but it's okay, so it's a loss in the end.
Oh, that's great. Nomura-kun kept whispering to me the whole time, and I was completely overwhelmed, and I realized that mentality is important after all.
Well, at first, I lost sight of Webmoth and got stuck in the swamp, but I was happy when Fukuda-san got both feet in. I thought I just had to draw them in, so I went all out and played the game to the end. In the first round, Rikyo University High School defeated Tokyo University's Matsu, and the brothers Nomura defeated the legal system's Fukuda. Hai was able to take a step ahead in margin, but Nomura, on the other hand, came out for the win, but it was a tough match.